Leasing a car is an attractive option for many individuals who want to drive a new vehicle without the long-term financial commitment of buying one. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of leasing a car and explain how it works. First, it is essential to understand the key concept of car leasing, which is essentially renting a car for a specified period of time. The lessee pays a monthly fee to use the vehicle for a set number of years, usually 2 or 3 years. At the end of the lease, the lessee returns the car to the lessor. To lease a car, you need to determine your budget and choose a vehicle that fits within it. Consider the monthly payment, the down payment, and any other fees associated with the lease. Next, you will need to review and sign a lease agreement which outlines the terms of the lease, including the length of the lease, the monthly payment, and any mileage limitations. The monthly payment is calculated based on the vehicle's depreciation and other factors such as interest rates and fees. The depreciation is the decrease in the vehicle's value over the lease term. For example, if you lease a car that costs $30,000 and it is expected to depreciate by $15,000 over the 3-year lease term, your monthly payment will be based on this depreciation plus interest and fees. It is also important to consider the mileage limitations of the lease. Most leases come with a mileage limit, usually between 10,000 and 15,000 miles per year. If you exceed this limit, you may be charged a fee per mile. For example, if the mileage limit is 12,000 miles per year and you drive 15,000 miles, you may be charged 25 cents per mile for the excess 3,000 miles. At the end of the lease, you have several options. You can return the car to the lessor and walk away. You can purchase the car at a predetermined price. Or you can lease a new car. It is essential to review the lease agreement and understand your options before signing. In conclusion, leasing a car can be a great option for individuals who want to drive a new vehicle without the long-term financial commitment. By understanding the key concepts and considering your budget and needs, you can make an informed decision and find a lease that works for you. Remember to carefully review the lease agreement and understand the terms and conditions before signing.